back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone, responding to emails and processing orders through email. This is going to be a seasonal job. We have talked about this in several of my videos before. Now is the time that companies are hiring for seasonal work from home jobs for the holiday season. These types of jobs are great to get started and get to making money and have experience to put on your resume while you're still putting in those applications and searching for that permanent forever dream job. But with that being said, the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, if you know anyone who could benefit from these, share with all your friends and family because we all want to live our happiest, healthiest life working from home. Today's job lead is from the company Minted. Now, Minted has 369 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.1 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a seasonal print quality specialist. This is remote for the United States only. You do have to reside in one of the states that they have listed. And this is a seasonal role. Again, it's starting in October and going through December. But a little bit about Minted, they're a design marketplace where source creative content for independent artists around the globe and sell the best designs to the world in the form of art, home decor, and stationery. So they're like one of those websites you can sign up to design your own things, have your images, your work printed and to be sold. As a seasonal print quality specialist, you're going to work closely with customers over email, so completely non-phone, to resolve any print issues and create new orders for them. So you're going to be processing these replacement orders through email. So basically, you're going to research and thoroughly document any replacement order root causes, what caused the print to not print correctly. You're going to proofread and edit the design files to make sure they are exactly what the customer wants, fulfilling those customer orders in service of both productivity and quality expectations. You'll reference a wide range of resources to determine the best solution for the customers, working directly again with them over email to design and replace their original orders. And then you'll also work in production environment to troubleshoot any technical design or print errors. So this is completely non-phone through email. They do ask that you be able to work one weekend day as they are open 7 days a week. They don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who can be a problem solver and think critically. If you have Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, or InDesign, or any kind of a background like that in those design programs, that's a plus. It's not required. They do want somebody who can produce high quality design in a fast-paced environment and someone who is flexible and open to new challenges, so someone who has an open mind. Now, as far as pay goes, it looks like no matter what state or area you're in, pay is a straight $20 an hour. They do offer paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.